Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That helps other students to find the video. Definitely want to work this one because it has one of those exterior angles marked. So we have a triangle with one of the sides extended, and we get this angle here, which is an exterior angle. Okay. By the way, we didn't discuss this, but you saw it in the videos. What would be the name of this angle in terms of A, B, C, and D? What would be the name of that angle? We cannot just call it angle C because there's more than one angle that has C as a vertex there. Do you remember it does appear to be an obtuse angle, but what I mean is, like, would it be angle ABC? Would it be angle DBC? What would it be like that? Good. DCB, angle DCB. What? Or the other alternative is BCD. The important thing is that the C is in the middle. So this is called an exterior angle. And these two are called opposite interior angles. And what did we know about the relationship between these angles? The sum of the two opposite interior angles equals the exterior angle. The sum of A and B, angle A plus angle B, is going to be equal to angle DCB. The sum of the two opposite interior angles equals the exterior angle. All right, so what would the equation be in this scenario? A was 10x, B was 15x plus 5, and the exterior angle is 20x plus 35. Okay, so what would I do first to solve this equation? Combine like terms. 10x and 15x makes how many x's? 25 x's. Plus 5 equals 20x plus 35. We have a couple of options here, but we need to get the x's on one side somehow and the numbers on the other side somehow. So what do you want me to do? That's right. I think we've only done 2 surveys today. There was a question about how many surveys we've done, I think. Right? We've only done 2. We did 3? Oh, my bad. We did 3. Okay, so that's going to be 5x plus 5 equals 35. And then what would I do? That's right. Subtract 5 from both sides. So that would give us that 5x equals 30. And the last step is to divide. So we're going to get x equals 6. And then we need to plug in to figure out what each of the angles would be. So 10 times 6 up here is going to give us 60. 15 times 6 plus 5, what would that be? 95. And 20 times 6 plus 35, 120 was 155. And what could we do if we wanted to just check if our answer makes sense? Add these together, and they should add up to 155, and they do. All right, any questions about that problem? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video.